Welcome everyone to this series on AI Agents Q&A series. In this very first session, we're going to explore what AI agents really are, why they're important, and how you can design them in a practical way. AI agents have evolved a lot. In the past, most systems were simple chatbots answering pre-programmed questions, but today the focus has shifted towards goal-oriented agents. These are not just answering a question, they are solving problems. We're also moving from prototypes to production. Companies are now deploying agents at scale, not just experimenting, and modern agents are becoming multi-capable and autonomous, able to perform multiple tasks on their own. Most importantly, they are now integrated into real workflows, whether that's finance, healthcare, or logistics. To build effective AI agents, you need 5 main building blocks. First, the LLM backbone. This is the brain of the agent that handles reasoning and planning. Second, you need memory systems, both short-term and long-term, so the agent can remember conversations and past interactions. Third, agents use tools and APIs to fetch data or trigger actions in the outside world. Fourth, there's the orchestration layer, which manages multi-step workflows and decides the order of actions. And finally, you need safety and guardrails, rules, compliance, and controls that ensure the agent behaves responsibly. When designing agents, you can't take a one-size-fits-all approach. First, you need to match the agent type to the complexity of the task. A simple FAQ bot doesn't need advanced planning, but a financial advisor agent does. Second, consider scalability. Can the system handle more users, more requests, and more tools as it grows? Third, think about adaptability. Agents should be able to learn, refine, and improve over time. And finally, interoperability is critical. Your agent must connect smoothly with ERP, CRM, and cloud systems already in use. There are 3 main types of agents. Reactive agents are the simplest. They just respond quickly without much planning. Think of a basic chatbot. Deliberative agents go deeper. They reason, plan, and make decisions before acting. And hybrid agents combine the best of both worlds, the speed of reactive behavior with the intelligence of deliberation. Now, it's not all smooth sailing. AI agents come with risks. One big challenge is hallucinations, when an AI gives wrong answers but sounds confident. There are also security concerns like data leakage or misuse of tools. Then there's overhead. Building orchestration layers and infrastructure adds cost and complexity. And finally, evaluation is hard. Measuring how well agents perform across tasks is still an open challenge. So how do we measure if an agent is effective? First, check the task success rate. Are tasks being completed correctly? Second, look at efficiency. How much time, cost, or steps does it take to complete a task? Third, evaluate safety and compliance. Does the agent follow rules and regulations? And finally, measure user satisfaction. Do people actually trust and adopt the agent in daily work? Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Start small. Don't try to build a super agent on day 1. Begin with a single tool prototype. Use standardized protocols like MCP or function calling so your system is future-proof. Always have guardrails and even a human in the loop for sensitive tasks. Add observability, logs, traces, and metrics so you can debug issues. And finally, scale incrementally with a modular design. Build block by block, not all at once. Where are agents being adopted? Almost everywhere. In finance, they handle customer support and fraud detection. In healthcare, they assist with patient data and medical workflows. In logistics, they optimize supply chains and deliveries. The future trend is multi-agent ecosystems where different agents collaborate. Long-term, we may see agents acting as digital employees, working alongside humans in a safe, embedded way. To wrap up, let's highlight the key insights. First, agents go far beyond chatbots. They execute workflows and solve problems. Second, the modular building blocks, LLM, memory, tools, orchestration, safety, are essential. Third, evaluation should balance accuracy, cost, compliance, and user experience. Fourth, the best approach is to start simple and scale later as your needs grow. And finally, the enterprise trend is clear. AI agents are becoming scalable, safe, and embedded into everyday business processes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon for upcoming video alerts. Please drop your questions about Agentic AI in the comments, and I'll include them in this series. Till then, keep learning.